In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a timer on your Instagram camera. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, open up the Instagram app on your phone, and after you load into the app, simply create a new reel or story by clicking the plus icon and posting whatever you want. In here, you can simply select the timer option at the left-sided menu under the Reel or Story tab. After you set a timer, it will count down and take whatever picture you set it to. As you can see, you can set a countdown and the timer at the left. Set the timer as you want and it will be properly set up for when you take the picture or reel that you want to post. Alternatively, you can also add a countdown. All you have to do is take whichever picture or reel that you want to send, select next, and then click on the smiley face sticker at the top. Now, simply look for time and you will get this that you can set to wherever you want on screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a timer on your Instagram camera. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.